Welcome to Brew News YouTube channel. On October 11, 2024, a critical meeting was held at the Kaskaupra Brew resettlement location in the Panisagar subdivision of North Tripura. This gathering brought together representatives from three states, Assam, Tripura, and Mizoram. The meeting, chaired by social activist Mr. G.B. Herbert Riang, focused on two key issues: the inclusion of Assam and Mizoram in the PVTG, particularly vulnerable tribal groups, scheme, and the recognition of the Riang community as Brew. During the discussions, representatives emphasized the importance of addressing the unique challenges faced by the Brew community, highlighting their cultural heritage and the need for formal recognition. The change in nomenclature from Riang to Brew is seen as essential for preserving their identity and ensuring better access to governmental support. The inclusion in the PVTG scheme was also a major point of contention, with participants arguing that this designation would provide necessary resources and development initiatives tailored to the needs of the Brew community in both Assam and Mizoram. The representatives outlined the potential benefits of PVTG status, including improved living conditions, educational opportunities, and healthcare access. The meeting concluded with a strong commitment to advocate for these changes and to work collaboratively with government authorities to ensure that the voices of the Brew community are heard and their rights recognized. Further plans were discussed to mobilize support and raise awareness about the importance of these initiatives.